In the previous video, we have learned how to make a rectangular box in Fusion 360, in which we have used Extrude tool and learned basics of Extrude tool. Now, we will move forward in this video and learn more about Extrude tool. So, in this video, we will make our ice cube tray, which will cuboid in shape. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we will make a sketch on the bottom plane. Firstly, make it a good orientation. Now, create a sketch on the base. So we will select a center rectangle so that center of this rectangle lie on origin. Okay, let's drop it anywhere. Then we have to dimension its corners. So let's say it's 60 mm. And this is 150. Yes, it's good. Okay. I think it's fine. Then finish the sketch. We have made a rectangular shape, which will be the base of our ice cube. So for making ice cube tray, we have to first make a cuboid. So we will make Extrude tool. So click on E on keyboard or select from here Extrude E. We will extrude it up to, let's say, 30 mm. Maybe good, yes, 30 mm is good. We don't need taper angle, and direction is one side and start from profile plane. Okay, that's fine. Now, coming our next step, we have to make our sketch on the top surface of this cuboid. So, select the top surface of the cuboid and now select the rectangle. Now we will make a sketch on this corner. I think it's good. Now we have to dimension it. So we will press on D and select it and it. So we can fix the distance between these two lines. So let the distance be 12. I think this good. Yes, and this will also 2 mm. And we can fix the distance between this and this line, this and this line, or we can fix this. I think this is good. Maybe 26 looks also good. No, 27 looks quite much better. Yes, and we have to fix the same so that it may look like a square. So fix it 27. Okay, our sketch is ready. Say, click on finish sketch. Our sketch is ready on the top surface of this cuboid. So we have to now again use our Extrude tool. So click E on keyboard, select this profile we have made now, and now we have to cut from our cuboid. So we will move our Extrude in the opposite direction of this cuboid. So move it downwards. Now if we move it 30 mm downward, it will cut our base also. So we have to move less than 30 mm. So let's say it's minus 28. So base left also 2 mm. So minus 28 is good. So press OK, and it cutted our shape. But here is a problem. If you see an ice cube tray, you may see paper on its base. The bases are the square on base is smaller than the square on top surface, so ice can easily be separated. So we will taper our ice cube we have made. So click here, right click here, press edit sketch, and here is a feature called taper angle. We will use it. So let's fix it 5 degrees. It will move opposite direction. So we will fix it -5. So here it looks more like a cube. Okay. Now I think this should be less than 5. Now say 4 mm. I think it's good. Oh my god. Our shape is ready. Now we have to make patterns. For this we have a tool called Rectangular Pattern, which makes same shapes, features, bodies in a different direction. So click on Rectangular Pattern, select features. As we have made a hollow space, so it's a feature of this. So we will select feature. If we have a body, then we have to select body here. But now we have to select feature. And the object we have to repeat is this. The axis is this. And also this. We have to repeat in 2 axes. I think it adds some distance. I think we need 6 boxes, so we will set it 6. And I think this is quite less distance, so we will reduce it. It's the extent of our rectangular repeat. So let's say it 148. I think it's more lesser. I think that's. And we will repeat also in this direction. In this direction, we need only 2 quantities. And the distance, I think 28 looks good. Okay. Let's say 28.5. I think it's good. Okay. It may look good. Then our space in ice cube tray is ready. But here is a problem. I think you may see a ice cube tray in which outer surfaces are vacant. So we have to remove these surfaces. So here is a tool in Fusion 360 called Cell Tool to remove these surfaces up to some extent. So let's click on S for use for search in Fusion 360. Click on S on keyboard. Search Cell Tool. Here is a cell tool for body and it's for surface. So we will select for body. We will select all the side we have to sell. I have selected this all by clicking Shift and using middle button of our mouse for changing orientation. So our all 5 surfaces are selected, and now we will sell up to some distance. I think it's more. At 2 mm, it's good. Okay. 2 mm, let's say 3. 3 is what? 2 is good. And yes, it looks good, I think. Okay. So our ice cube tray is ready. Thank you.